Hello friends, this is Neelam with Beyond 20. In today's video, we will talk about how to export data from ServiceNow. So for that, let's take an example of any table. So I will type department in the left navigation, and then under user administration, let's open the departments table and see. Okay, so we can see that we have 7 records on this department table. So now if we would like to export this data from ServiceNow, then how do we do that? So for that, let's, for example, over here we can right click and then we can say export, and then we can export this data in many forms, like we can export as Excel file, CVS, XML, JSON or PDF, and we can even create export set. So let's go ahead and try doing this Excel. When we click Excel, then what will happen is it is exporting the data into Excel, and then now once we will click on download, it will download the Excel file with the department data on it. So let's open this file, and then as we can see now we have all data from department table in this Excel file, and this file has cmn underscore department name. So this is how we can export data or download the data from ServiceNow. And then let's say, for example, if we want to have just the templates, for example, if we want to import more data into ServiceNow and then we just need the template of this table, then how do we do that? So that is another thing, and for that what we can do is simply we can right click on any column and then click on the import. So once we click on the import, it says, do you want to create an Excel template to enter the data? So over here we will mark as yes, and then include all the fields in the template, then yes, and then now create Excel template. So what we can do is right now once we click on the download, we will be able to see that as well. So let's open and see that we have created a template as well. So this is the direction, and on the page 1 we will see all the column names from the department table. So what we can do is we can load the data in this spreadsheet again, and then let me show once we go back over there, then so now what we can do is we can add that data into the template, and then again we can choose the file from here, and then we can upload the data again. So in today's video we have seen 2 different things. One, how to export data from ServiceNow to different file formats, and also how we can download the template from the ServiceNow in order to add the data into the same table. But if we want the same columns and all that, we can import the template. So in next videos we will see how to load the data. So we will create a series of video for the ease, and we will see how that process works as well. Thank you for watching.